Among the villagers was a young woman named Arya. Known for her love of the night sky, Arya had always felt a deep connection to the stars. Intrigued by the alchemist's teachings, she approached the cottage seeking guidance. The starlight alchemist, recognizing the celestial spark within Arya, took her under their wing as an apprentice. Together, they delved into the ancient art of star alchemy, blending the magic of the cosmos with earthly elements to create potions that harmonized with the natural energies. As Arya honed her skills, she discovered that her affinity for the stars extended beyond the physical realm. In moments of meditation, she could hear the celestial whispers, guiding her in the creation of potions that not only enhanced the villagers' abilities but also fostered unity and understanding within the community. Word of the village's transformation spread far and wide, reaching neighboring communities facing their own challenges. Intrigued by the tales of the Starlight Alchemist and the transformative power of the Starlight Chalice, emissaries from distant lands sought the alchemist's guidance. The Starlight Alchemist, recognizing the interconnectedness of all beings under the vast canopy of stars, welcomed the emissaries with open arms. Together, they formed a network of communities united by the wisdom of the cosmos and the magic of the Starlight Chalice. As the celestial convergence approached, the villages gathered beneath the night sky, holding their own versions of the Starlight Chalice. The combined energies created a radiant web of light that connected the communities, transcending the boundaries of time and space. During the celestial event, Arya, now a skilled alchemist in her own right, felt a profound connection to the stars. The celestial whispers guided her to create a potion that would weave the collective hopes and dreams of the villages into a tapestry of shared destiny. As the potion was distributed among the villagers, a luminous energy enveloped the communities. The celestial convergence, instead of being a moment of foreboding, became a celebration of unity and shared purpose. The interconnected villages, bound by the magic of the stars, flourished as a beacon of harmony and cooperation. In the years that followed, the Starlight Alchemist and Arya continued their work, traveling between villages and sharing the wisdom of the cosmos. The Starlight Chalice, now a symbol of unity and collective growth, was passed down through generations, ensuring that the magic of the stars would endure. And so, beneath the vast expanse of the night sky, the villages thrived as a celestial tapestry, their fates intertwined by the Starlight Alchemist's teachings and the radiant magic that connected them to the cosmos. Title: The Enchanted Carousel. In the heart of a charming town, surrounded by cobblestone streets and quaint cottages, there stood an old, mysterious carousel. The townsfolk spoke of it in hushed tones, for the carousel was said to possess magical properties that transported riders into the realms of their deepest desires. However, the carousel was rarely used, as its enchantments were not fully understood, and many deemed it an object of mystery. Among the residents of the town was a young girl named Clara. Clara had always been drawn to the enchanting melodies that emanated from the carousel, even though she had never dared to ride it. Her curiosity was fueled by the tales of those who claimed to have experienced fantastical journeys while aboard the magical contraption. One day, as the sun dipped below the horizon and painted the sky in hues of orange and pink, Clara found herself standing before the mysterious carousel. Its ornate horses, with their eyes gleaming as if holding untold secrets, beckoned her to embark on an adventure. Clara, fueled by a sense of wonder and a touch of bravery, decided to take a chance. As she climbed onto one of the intricately carved horses, the carousel came to life with a melodic tune that echoed through the evening air. The painted scenery around Clara began to blur, and a tingling sensation filled the air. The townsfolk, witnessing the spectacle, watched with bated breath as the carousel spun into motion, carrying Clara into the magical unknown. To Clara's surprise, the world around her transformed into a lush, vibrant forest. The air was filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers, and the trees seemed to whisper ancient secrets. She found herself on the back of a magnificent, winged creature, a Pegasus with feathers that sparkled like stardust. The Pegasus soared through the enchanted forest, carrying Clara over babbling brooks and beneath canopies of twinkling fireflies. The air resonated with the harmonious symphony of nature, and Clara felt a profound connection to the magical realm she found herself in. As they journeyed deeper into the forest, Clara spotted a mystical glade where fairies danced among the flowers. The fairies, adorned in glistening attire, welcomed Clara with laughter and graceful twirls. Clara, caught in the enchantment of the moment, joined the fairies in their whimsical dance, feeling the magic of the carousel weaving a tapestry of joy around her. Time seemed to lose its grip in the enchanted forest, and Clara reveled in the beauty of the magical realm. The Pegasus, with a gentle neigh, carried her to a majestic waterfall that sparkled like liquid diamonds. Beneath the cascading waters, mermaids sang haunting melodies, and Clara felt the echoes of their songs resonate in her soul. The carousel's enchantments continued to guide Clara through realms of fantasy and wonder. She sailed through the skies on the back of a dragon, danced with moonlit shadows in a celestial ballroom, and traversed meadows where unicorns grazed beneath the gaze of a benevolent moon. As the carousel finally slowed, Clara found herself back in the town square. The enchanting melodies ceased, and the painted scenery settled into place. The townsfolk, their eyes wide with amazement, witnessed Clara dismounting from the carousel with a radiant smile. Clara's heart overflowed with gratitude for the magical journey she had experienced. The once mysterious carousel had revealed the depths of her imagination and connected her with realms beyond her wildest dreams. She approached the enchanted contraption, placing a gentle hand on its ornate frame. The carousel, as if acknowledging Clara's appreciation, emitted a soft glow before settling into a quiet stillness. The townsfolk, inspired by Clara's adventure, began to see the carousel in a new light. It became a symbol of untapped potential, a conduit to realms of fantasy waiting to be explored. In the days that followed, the townsfolk, one by one, dared to ride the enchanted carousel. Each rider experienced a unique journey tailored to their innermost desires, from soaring through starlit skies to navigating mysterious underwater kingdoms. The once underutilized carousel became a cherished treasure, a communal source of wonder and shared experiences. As the seasons changed and years passed, the carousel stood as a timeless beacon of magic in the heart of the town. Clara, now an elder in the community, often found herself gazing at the carousel with a twinkle in her eye, knowing that its enchantments had ignited a spark of imagination in the hearts of generations. And so, in the charming town surrounded by cobblestone streets and quaint cottages, the tale of the enchanted carousel became a cherished legend, passed down through the ages. The carousel, with its magical melodies and transformative powers, continued to invite dreamers of all ages to embark on journeys beyond the realms of reality, reminding them that the magic of imagination could turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. Title: The Lighthouse of Dreams. In a quiet coastal village, perched on a cliff overlooking the vast expanse of the ocean, there stood an ancient lighthouse. This lighthouse, known as the Lighthouse of Dreams, held a peculiar reputation among the villagers. Legend had it that this beacon not only guided ships safely to shore but also possessed the ability to weave dreams into reality. The keeper of the lighthouse was an elderly man named Captain Elias, who had devoted his life to tending the light that guided sailors through stormy nights. Captain Elias, with a weathered face and kind eyes that sparkled with tales of the sea, was beloved by the villagers for his wisdom and generosity. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon and painted the sky in hues of pink and gold, a young girl named Lila approached Captain Elias. Lila, with a heart full of dreams and a yearning for adventure, had heard whispers of the Lighthouse of Dreams and its magical abilities. Captain Elias, she began, her eyes wide with curiosity, they say the light of this lighthouse can turn dreams into reality. Is it true? The old captain chuckled, his voice carrying the warmth of countless tales. Ah, young one, the Lighthouse of Dreams is a beacon of hope, but its magic lies not in the light alone. It's the dreams we harbor within that awaken its enchantment. Intrigued by the captain's words, Lila expressed her deepest wish, to become an explorer who sailed to far-off lands and discovered hidden treasures. Captain Elias, recognizing the spark of adventure in Lila's eyes, decided to share the secret of the lighthouse with her.